Good evening. Today we will speak about sport. And we have two special guests in our studio. Our first guest is Bobby Blackman. He's an Afro-American man. He's quite sporty, but he doesn't like football. Meet Bobby Blackman! Our second guest is Helena. She likes football very much because she had sex with Arshavin for 3 times. Yeah, congratulations, Helena. Meet Helena with your applause. Okay, so let's talk about sex.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about sex.
Let's talk about... Stop, guys, that's enough. That's enough. It's a talk show, okay? So, Bobby, tell us please why you do not like football.
I don't like football because I don't like football.
Okay, but why?
Okay, man. I don't like football because football is a bad shit. And I like basketball because basketball is good shit, you know? And I play basketball and I do it well, you know?
But why?
You know what? In America, we call football as a soccer, you know?
Yeah.
And I think that soccer is a game for suckers, you know? I don't like that. But basketball is good, you know? You want to ask me something?
Yeah, I want to ask you, of course. I want to ask you why. I want to ask you why the basketball
Oh, okay. I see. I understand.
Yeah.
You know, besides
Besides, however, nevertheless,
yo, man, all the men who play football, they have short dicks, not little. But the men who play basketball, they have a long and big dicks. You know, it's like I'm lying. Come on, you ask me. Wait a minute.
Just explain us why do you think that basketballers have longer dicks?
When you play basketball, you're jumping every time, jumping, you know. And when you jump, your dick becomes longer, you know. It's easy. The higher you jumping, the longer your dick is, you know. It's easy like a physics in school, you know. You have a Earth gravitation, and when you jump, your dick is, you know, heavy. It's simple, man. You know?
Yeah, I understood that.
You understand?
That's good. So if I'm not mistaken, the basketball is your favorite sport game.
Well, I like playing basketball, but my favorite game is bobsleigh, you know?
Bobsleigh?
Bobsleigh. Bobsleigh. Yeah, okay, but so you know how to play, you know?
No.
You know how black people is playing bobsleigh?
No.
I'll show you, man.
Okay, sure.
Okay, this is bobsleigh thing, you know.
Bobsleigh vehicle.
Yeah.
Bobsleigh stuff.
Yeah. You do it like this. Hey, girls, come on, you're drinking the beer, having the fun, jumping around, and dude, man, niggas play.
Okay. Thank you, Bobby. Your applause to Bobby. Bobby Blackman. And now we will talk to Green Helena. Do you like women's sports? Do you play tennis?
No. I like only.
You play tennis?
No, Bobby. We are talking about tennis.
Oh, tennis.
Yeah.
I like only boys games.
Boys games. So you do not like tennis?
Alright, another question. You like big tennis or small? You like boys games?
It means
It depends.
Yeah.
Of the speed of, fatness of this thing. Okay, I understand.
Okay, yeah, so as everybody remember, you had sex with Arshavin for 3 times, yeah? Yes, so surprisingly. Okay, so tell us please, to have a sex with a footballer, what is better, to have sex before football or after football?
Excuse me, can I?
Man, what the fuck you asking me?
What's the difference between to having the sex before football and to having the sex after football?
If you have a small dick. There's no difference, man.
Okay, nevertheless, Елена, statistics shows that Arshavin make 1 goal in 1 game. What about sex? How many goals in 1 night he makes?
Yeah.
How many sexual acts?
You know what he means.
It's our small secret.
Man, I know the secret.
Oh, really?
Anyway,
So you know everything?
In your eyes.
through the eyes, right in the brain, and I can't read this shit. I can answer this. Even if he can make a lot of goals, but for 2 seconds each. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Елена, all of us knows that Arshavin is a very fast player, very fast. His speed on the field is very high. So I would like to ask you about sex. Is he fast in sex as well as in bed? Oh, is he? Oh, I mean, as in football. As he fast in sex.
Should I?
Yes.
Should I? Okay, wait a second. Fast. Yeah. He is fast. He's fast in the sex, like in the game. It's simple. It's like physics in school, you know? I'll show you.
Earth's gravitation.
Yeah, not yet. For example, we take just a dick of a footballer, right? Dick of a footballer. Okay, Arshavin's dick. And can you hold the mic? Okay. When you're making the sex, you make chi. That's it. So it's very fast. But if we take a dick, just usual dick of a usual black man, me for example, you make a long distance, and your longer sex becomes more longer. The longer dick you have, the longer sex you have. You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah, Bobby. Yeah, thank you, Bobby. Well, thank you, Bobby. All of us knows that about a week ago, Arshavin went to Arsenal. He went to London. London is the capital of Great Britain. London is situated on the river Thames. Traffic is...
Hey, what the fuck are you talking about, huh? Is it English lesson or what?
Big Ben is situated in the center of London.
Come on, man. Big Ben is situated in my pen.
Okay, Elena, I would like to talk with you again. Arshavin went to London. Are you missing him? I think it's a big loss for you.
No, I find another one.
I think it's small lost.
Small loss.
Yeah, Arshavin, no. In London.
Oops!
But, you know,
Oops again!
I just wanted to offer to be my girl, friend.
Okay, what are you going to do now? Maybe play basketball?
No, man. I will play the game where all the lonely niggas play. You know, I'm playing curling.
Curling?
Curling. You know how they play curling, you know?
No, I don't
For
know.
example, this thing, you know, they take this thing. 3, 2, 1. It's just like this.
It was Black Bobby's show.